Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction, the live changes occur in the price. Before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2k subscriber. Now, live price prediction, live changes occur in the price of Cardano in the market. Let's see what's change occur in the market of Cardano. It's loading, so kindly click the subscribe button. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel. Why they are not subscribing my channel? Please, I need your support. Kindly subscribe my channel and support us. I will update you. It's a live price changes occur in the Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. First of all, we see the chart of the Cardano. As we can see here, that is falling down, as you can see here, falls down, but currently they are again let a small jump. After a small jump, they are again falling down. As you can see here, currently they are falls down in this period in the last 1 hour. That is the live last 1 hour. Is it, brothers? As you can see here, that is the change occur in the last 1 hour result in the Cardano cryptocurrencies. Negative 0.18% chance occur in the last 1 hour of Cardano, as you can see here. Now the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour is $1.2 is the high price of Cardano in the last 1 hour. So that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.